playground, the libraries, the recess time, and of course my dear teachers and all my friends who helped me throughout the year. So my best memory would be how Nisha ma'am and Urvashi ma'am helped me during my nursery and my KG classes, how all the primary teachers starting from Nisha ma'am, Urvashi ma'am, Geeta ma'am, Shweta ma'am, Preeti ma'am used to help me a lot throughout my years, and I used to be so happy at school. And yeah, I'm still now, but those were like so best memories ever. So DPSG has taught me so many moral values and ethics, and it has taught me how to stay calm and listen more to others and speak less. It has taught me academically and through sports achievements throughout the year. So I would like to advise that give your attention to all the things, whether it be your hobbies, whether it be sports. Do academically well in your studies and do well in school. It's not just about hobbies and playing, but it's about doing overall very good in everything, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much DPSGV for all the